Deep in the rainforests of South America, a chilling horror story unfolds every day, one that could rival any zombie movie. Meet Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, a parasitic fungus that takes mind control to a terrifying new level. It doesn't just infect ants, it hijacks their brains and turns them into unwilling puppets. Once a spore lands on an unlucky carpenter ant, it penetrates the exoskeleton and begins growing inside, flooding the ant's body with fungal cells. What happens next is straight out of science fiction. The fungus manipulates the ant's central nervous system, compelling it to climb up vegetation to a very precise height, usually about 25 centimeters off the ground, where temperature and humidity are ideal for the fungus to thrive. Then, in a final act of fungal mind control, the ant clamps onto a leaf or twig in a death grip with its mandibles and dies. But the horror doesn't end there. The fungus continues to grow, eventually bursting out of the ant's head with a long spore-releasing stalk. These spores then rain down onto the forest floor, ready to infect the next victim. What's even more fascinating is that the fungus is highly specific. It only infects certain ant species and even alters its behavior differently depending on the host. Scientists are studying Ophiocordyceps, not only for its eerie control over insects, but also for its potential in medical and biological research. Nature, it seems, has its own brand of zombie apocalypse.